My fellow members of Blue Key annually select a member of the CSE faculty to provide a greeting at Ivy Day. Dr. Shonda French Collins, Associate Professor of Communication Arts, is the individual who has been asked to speak this evening. Please join me in welcoming Dr. French Collins.
CSE graduates, friends and family of graduates, and colleagues, welcome to the 2021 Ivy Day. Several weeks ago, I asked members of Cardinal Key and Blue Key to fill out an informal survey regarding their experience here at Chadron State and also reflecting on the past year and a half as we continue to navigate through this pandemic. When I asked the question, "Being an Eagle means to me," a common theme emerged: a sense of community. Many of you talked about finding your people here at Chadron State, whether it was the professors or staff that challenged and supported you, or life-lasting friendships and relationships that you have formed. You realize that friendships and relationships and people are what make life wonderful, and that the people here at Chadron State care, and this is what makes Chadron such a special place to get an education. In addition to being an Eagle, I inquired about your past year and a half experience and what it's taught you. Your answers showed resilience, heartbreak, and hope. Finishing your college career in a pandemic is not what you expected to occur, and yet you are here. To say you should feel proud is an understatement. Because as you leave CSC, there's going to be more challenges, more unknown, more uncertainty, and more need for you to step outside of your comfort zone and to appreciate the time and people you share it with. As you wrote about what your life lessons you learned here during your time at CSC, I encourage you to remember these life lessons you've learned here at Chadron State. Continue to be confident, to be kind, to build connections, and to always believe in yourself. And while CSC employees are so excited and proud for you, don't forget about us. We want to hear from you, and we want to know how you're using your talents in the world. One of my favorite parts of teaching is hearing from alum and seeing how they're utilizing their classroom skills. And I'm guessing many of my colleagues feel the same way. So please stay in touch. And so graduates, as you celebrate this wonderful milestone, know that your community, your CSC community, it's not going anywhere. We'll still be waiting here to see all the fantastic things that you will accomplish. We might just be a phone call or a Zoom away as opposed to popping into our office. Congratulations, Eagles.